Girls, where are we going today?
No. A hotel?
What city are we going to?
You never told me.
Vang Vieng. Got all those bikes in the back. Ready for some adventures in Vang Vieng. Hello girls, ready to go?
Not really.
Why not?
Because everything's in the way.
Yeah, you girls don't pack very well, do you? You have to have every stuffy.
In the perfect spot.
You are just slammed back there. You don't even have your seatbelt on.
Doing you done?
Yeah, look at you. You're just stuffed in stuffies.
Which is awesome.
Just arrived.
Which the whole drive was boring.
Hey, it was beautiful. Let's look at the bikes, see how dirty they are. Not too bad. Your life is over because?
The ground's too slippery.
Yeah. We're out for a bike ride, getting ready to go, and Halen slips in the first 1, 2, or 3 seconds.
We're probably gonna need more band-aids. I've had worse though.
Halen's ability to hurt herself is well beyond what you would guess. Girls,
We don't know. Did you get any pointing of direction?
we're going this way. I think we just ride on this road. We're going to Lagoons. Halen, you lead the way. Good job, Ava. The bridge is down. This is what they made. I'm having some drone troubles here. Kids like it here. Hello. It lost connection. It knows to go home. All in one piece. Touch. Whoa, what do you girls think? Look at this. There's fish in there.
What are we waiting for? Come on, you guys. Just step on our tail.
I think we can jump off that stuff. Rope swing.
Hey.
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 All right, where are we going?
I don't know. Up a cave?
We're gonna find the cave. Whoa, girls, look at that spider right there. That's a Harrington.
No, let's not look at the spider. Let's keep going.
Keep going.
That is a Harrington. We did it.
That wasn't 10 minutes, but come on.
Whoa.
Let's go. There's earholes. That was a death.
There's Mama. Girls are coming down.
Oh. Hold on, Mom. My eyes have adjusted now. I can see taller rocks. You have to walk on it. That is so cool.
Whoa. Look at that.
Let's go up to the Buddha.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I know what. I'm just talking. Whoa.
Look at that, hey? What do you think?
Cool, but move it.
Be respectful, hey?
I will.
This is people come and pray to you. Eva J?
I don't need your help. We're gone. I don't want to touch the water. No.
Well, I thought they might want my help. They don't.
But I got through already.
Whoa! For the elephant?
We just keep going about 1 minute and we park the car over there.
Okay.
Okay, you want to jump in the back? Okay.
Now you listen.
Here we are. Good.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's got butterflies in my stomach. I'm excited!
So, where do they live? Where do the elephants live?
In the jungle down there, this area, the island or jungle.
So this whole area this way?
Yes,
Down to the water?
yes,
And pretty much wherever they want.
yes.
I think we essentially need to go find them. That's the plan right now. Ava, look back. Are you okay?
Yeah.
We're just getting a little thicker. Sort of fruit.
You want to try it? That's good.
That's good. A little apple-y.
Trời Max ơi! Oh!
Eva, do you hear one?
Yeah.
We hear the branches cracking. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
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 It's like seeing a dinosaur come out.
Whoa.
Dima!
Whoa.
Girls!
Nah, say ma! And then stay behind me, okay? And then... Say it!
Is that real?
Dima!
That's one of the coolest entrances I've ever seen.
Whoa. Is that another one?
There's 3.
Say it!
That's a big one.
What are you thinking right now?
I'm feeding.
46, 40, and 30. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Come here, man, come here.
Come over here.
Here comes an elephant.
Đáp ấm. Thấy không? Đáp ấm. Like this, okay? Like this. Come, feed them. Come in, lên mà. Ấp, chơi ấp. Ấp. Đáp ấm. Chơi ấp.
Whoa.
Nói ấp. Chơi nè. Mấy cái chiều nát còn chụp à?
Okay. So what happened to them?
The second one is that people cut her tail. Yeah, and use spear We have the board beside. And come night, she work in the wood factory, knock the tree down, roaring the tree, move the tree, wood factory. And another one, she stepped on the landmine when she was 18. Use one nail here, painful. And the male of that took out ivory, and yellow tail following all the time.
Oh.
Yeah, a little bit angry.
Elephant beat. Come on, Ava. Let's bathe him. Whoa. Get in there. Come on. Come next to Daddy. Whoopsie. Oh, you dropped it.
Banana float.
There you go.
Banana float.
Let's get in your ears. A little bit behind your ears. I think they're done. Now they're getting dirty again. Whoa. He's going swimming, girls. Immediate thoughts?
Cool. But they're pretty cool.
Doesn't it feel good to see them how they're supposed to be playing and acting? Yeah.
I never thought I'd get to experience it.
Awesome.
Ava, what do you think?
Awesome. Should we be following?
You're a little bit shell-shocked, I think.
Should we be
Yep, we're
following
getting
them?
follow. We're supposed to go.